Hi, my YouTube friend. Welcome to my channel. And this is Mike Kabemba, your favorite affiliate marketer. And my job is to provide you with reviews about product and services that you're looking for online. And today, I'm bringing you something very awesome. And before we jump to the next step, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. Press the like button on my channel and subscribe to my channel for more videos so you won't miss anything, any update about the system, about the product and services that you're looking for. And as I'm telling you today, I'm bringing you something very wonderful, something perfect, something that can bring you money in your pocket, something can make you to not be broke anymore. And if you have been struggling how to make money, whether you are an affiliate marketer, whether you are an entrepreneur, or maybe you may be a new in the affiliate marketing, let me say not only affiliate marketing, it might be a new on internet marketing, and this is going to help you. And for more advanced people too, struggles comes in the way because in the internet marketing there's thousands and thousands of competitions. So making money, making sales and selling your product, it's a big competitions for everyone, and we all know that. So as my job is to provide you with proper and good information about product that can help you. And surely I'm always be bringing you something wonderful, something how you going to love, something, and you can be thankful for that. So you understand. So you gotta be stay tuned in my channel. Please subscribe to my channel because most of the time, every time you're going to get new reviews, every time you're going to get update about new products. And here on my channel, I always talk about making millions online. And firstly, let us go. And I'm bringing you something very wonderful today, and it is called the pocket profits. What is the pocket profit? You may be wondering, and we all know pocket profit. How can the pocket profit be necessary to you? How can this system bringing you money to you? I'm going to go step by step and showing you how this system works, and let us go. The pocket profit, and what is it, and how does it work? The pocket profit, it's a new system in the internet marketing, where you can make money in commissions or in selling. So if you are an affiliate marketer, you can make money in commissions, and if you are a vendor, you can make money by selling. So the profit, the pocket profits, it is for everybody. It is for everyone. So whether you are a vendor, whether you are a marketer, you need these systems. And with these systems, you don't need to create your own products to make money with fees. You don't need a fancy website where you spend thousands of dollars for hiring people to build your website, designers, and to make your website looks more beautiful. You don't need all of that. And you don't need an email list. So a lot of people got challenges in building an email list or making the email list marketing and making money with the email list. You don't need that, all of that with the pocket profit. And you don't need your home videos, and you don't need an e-commerce store. Like a lot of people don't have an e-commerce store. So this system is working for everybody, whether you are an advanced and whether you are a beginner. And you don't need to be an expert. You don't need to be an expert to make money with the system. So very simple to use by newbies, and you don't need your videos, you don't need the website, you don't need your own product, and you don't need an email list. So how does it work, this platform? This is a platform where you don't need nothing, and it is only, and with the system, you get unlimited traffic, and you can convert the sales to a crazy scalings expert where you can make a lot of money, convert everything in making money. So what you need and make what you need is just to get this application, get inside the platform and make a lot of money, and that's all. So it's only few steps you only need. With a pocket profit, you're going to unlock unlimited buyers traffic, and that is going to work for you. And with this one, you don't have to be writing contents, you just have to be copy and paste. And what are you going to copy and paste? The system comes with uh, everything. The masters and the experts in the industry have done a lot of works for you, the heavy work for you, they have done it for you. And what you have to do is just to copy and paste from the gurus and make money. You don't have to invest again more money. And what you have to know is the system, it works 24/7, which means you can use it the whole full month and make a lot of money out of it. And one thing you have to know, and the competitions in the internet marketing has become so huge and uh, so big. So what you have to know, this system, it has been uh, it has been used by the expert for 6 years. They have been using this system, and today they wanna spread this system that is making money for them with everybody, and so that you can make also money, and you can convert into high ticket commissions if you are a marketer. And if you are a seller, you can make more sales with the system. So the competition is big. The more the competition is big, the more you need to explore something which is on the underground. So if you know much an expert and you don't have much followers, you don't have much subscribers on your platform where you're using to market your product, to market people's products, you just need this one. And it is well set with the system that can generate money for you. And going further, these systems comes with everything set up. It is well set. You can use it in your phone, you can use it on your computer, whether it's a Windows, whether it's a Apple. So it works everywhere. And I've explained to you, it comes with full of content, and it has a free laser target which means it has really the big targets, and the target it is already made in plans. It is word programmed for you, so that you don't need to be hustling for traffic. You don't need to be saying what type of target it might be using. It is set up, and the systems, and it is working. Doesn't take you much time, much hours. Like other system, you need a full day. Like others, they go even for the full months for you to be making sales. The systems, I can guarantee you, the pocket profits works within 2 hours. And within 2 hours, if you don't see the proper results, you have the right to claim your money back. So we give you, they give you 30 days guarantee. And within the 30 days guarantee, you have to experience the product, the pocket profit, if it is working, whether it is not working. And if it is working properly, grab the product and make money. And if it is not working properly, what you have to do is go back to them, write them an email, and then they will refund you your money. And in the meantime, you may be wondering how you're going to get these products. I'm just going to leave the link below in the descriptions. And when I leave the link, just press the link button and you're going to get the product. So this is the system that it is very, very wonderful. And pocket profit, it is wholesome. It is very wonderful. It is beautiful and lovely for you and for everybody. So what you have to do is just click the like button below, and you're going to get a video demo for your product, for this product, and you're going to get a full training. So which means you don't have to worry about how this product is going to work. Just click the link below and get your products. You're going to learn how the product works. It comes with a full training, which means you're going to get a full training. When I'm talking about a full training, so which means it's going to take you step by step, taking you from 0 to 100, and with easy and coolest method that you're going to learn how to use this product and how you can make money with this product. So if you have been struggling and you may be wondering how you make money, how you can convert your marketing in money, how you can make money with the online marketing, simple methods, simple systems, simple ways by making money is just get this product, the profit, the pocket profit. I don't want to make this video so long. I'm going to leave the link down below, and if ever you have any comments, just leave it down there or write me to my email. I'm going to leave my email down there, and write me an email for any questions, for any doubts in the products. Leave me an email. I'm going to answer you quickly as possible as I can, and so that you may be sure of whatever I'm talking about. So thank you for watching this video, subscribing to my channel, and press the like button. Not without taking you so much time, the product is real and the product is legal. So grab the product with you and change your life. So the pocket profit, it is here to stay. Thank you for your time, and stay tuned for more information. This is your boy Mike Bemba. Ciao, and see you in the next video. Thank you.